Welcome back to the channel. I told you I'd be back next week. We had a good time. It was beginner, but you know what? I need that rush, that adrenaline. So we're stepping it up to intermediate today. Class 4 rapids. If you missed the video last week, beginner rapids, it was cool, it was fun, but we're looking for the excitement, the drops, the scares. Dude, this video is gonna be exciting. You are gonna have to stay tuned.
Oh no, somebody's in the water.
We didn't really show what we got to put on here or what they gave us. So you get your wetsuit,
Booties.
you get your booties, your splash jacket. Yeah.
A
helmet, and if you're me, you get the GoPro helmet where you can just slide your thing on. That's how we're going to capture all this great footage. Yep.
And then your life jacket.
You get your life jacket. So you don't have to swim even if you're doing intermediate, but you might want to know how.
Front foot forward, okay? We're all going to take our heels and firmly plant those puppies nice and tight underneath in between these two tubes, okay? If you notice carefully, my tuchus is actually what we call the butt pad out here, right? These inner tubes are really comfortable to sleep on, trust me, kind of homeless. They act more like an airbag or an ejector seat once you hit the bottom, okay? So once you're all locked in, you're going to notice, whoop, go all the way out of the boat and you're not out. How many things you guys are doing, man? It's called jiggy. When we're stuck on a rock like this, you're just going to bounce up and down wildly. That's going to get us stuck.
Oh boy.
Harder, guys. Harder. Alright, we're turning around now. Alright, guys, in the front. Go ahead.
And we're off.
Let's make sure we're ready to paddle.
That's either a fire or a trap. That was fun. I hope you weren't looking away.
Nope, looked right at it the whole time.
Job.
Close my eyes. Hey, speed it up, man. Speed it up. We shouldn't be this close.
Right. Oh, he's got that GoPro. Hey, GoPro.
How's it going, bro?
Paddle?
Yeah.
No, he said no.
You're giving me a paddle.
He's not giving it back to you.
Hey, give him 4. The lean in is beginning.
One more. All right, lean in, do the thing. All right, you're good. Turn around. Forward walk.
360. I wanted to lean in one time.
Right, they call me gypsy trick. Something goes wrong, I throw a spin and everything works out.
That was our first meeting ever.
Yeah. Hey, give me the rod, I'll help you out. Give me the rod, I'll help you out.
I don't think I can hear you.
More behind. Let's go forward walk.
You okay?
No water is inside.
You guys are getting you some out there.
Are you guys not getting wet at all back there? No.
I like you.
It's because I'm taller.
I know, that's why I
She's
got
stuck in behind me.
Yeah.
Forward walk. Forward walk. One more.
Whoa!
And now you got some water in here.
I've got some
So this whole rapid is a pretty continuous class 4.
Okay.
Feet and knees is all the way down at the bottom. So forward one.
Biggest drop.
Forward one. One more.
She said keep the boat straight. Keep
That
the
one
boat
went
straight.
down my shirt too.
Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh!
Forward one. Forward one.
Oh snap!
Alright, get ready to paddle hard. Forward two.
Forward two.
And two more. One. And two. And two more. So we fall over here to that safety. And forward one.
Oh no, somebody's in the water.
Oh, there goes our. What was it? Rock. Oh no.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he got back in quick. Say, oh no 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 no.
Get him in the boat! Get him in the boat! Captain Chaos, once again, slam a dude from the very top of that rope.
Lots of paddle though over there.
There's a paddle in the water? Oh.
Yeah.
Captain Chaos. Alright, guys, David, go with them.
Warm.
This next rapid is called Deliverance.
How are we going? We're just gonna go backwards because it's better that way.
Go left
I
side,
don't
forward
know.
one.
I'm paying attention backwards, okay?
Having that deep grip?
Alright.
Yeah, no, this is violent. First area is called the typewriter, okay? It's gonna be like, you know, we got shrunk down on the typewriter. Let's go forward one. And forward one. Lean in, lean in. And forward one. And forward one.
And there's a rock. Boom!
And forward one.
Hey, do you understand what lean in means?
I'm just not as limber. Like lean in looks a little different.
Hey, that means run to the center.
I'm like, I'm not going down as fast as I want to go.
I'm wet back here. You guys wet up there?
Are you practicing the lean back or what's going on there?
I got a cramp in my leg. I'm laying back. Lean back.
I got you. I figured.
I'm gonna make it. I might just be like this for a little bit.
Humanity shows you what it means to be alive. If you swim here, swim to the left.
Are you gonna lean back for this?
Alright, get ready. Back to
He's
the
going in the water. Oh shit.
All the time, so I'll get out, man.
There we go.
So forward one.
Whoa. Whoa.
Forward one.
You okay?
Nice job, guys.
Oh, that was legit.
And forward one.
Hey, babe, good job.
Thanks for forcing me to do that.
Yeah, baby. So, as you can see, intermediate is a little bit more involved than the beginner. Do you think, were you scared at any point?
Yeah. There was one point where I thought we were gonna flip.
Well, one person person fell out this time, one person fell out last time, so the numbers weren't staggering.
And the lady that was on our boat, she almost fell.
If you don't follow the foot plant rule, you'll have problems. Next. So, I don't know, it was fun. It was definitely more activity in the water today.
The water is more active than...
It was freezing cold. I thought I had hypothermia for several ligaments, or sorry, not limbs. Better yet, limbs.
Could not feel my
Yeah.
fingers, my ears.
Yeah. So, but definitely check it out. Whitewater rafting is worth your time. It's fun. You don't have to be able to swim. We didn't have any big emergencies today, but check it out. Have fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that box down there and subscribe. Until next time.